Okay, today I'm gonna show you the easy method to find the GCF of a number. So that is the ladder method. Okay, it goes like this. So we have 12, 36, and 60. Okay, now the ladder method would be, okay, now think of a number that would work on 12, 36, and 60. Okay, let's try 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, 36 divided by 2 is 18, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Now again, think of a number that would work on 6, 18, and 30. Okay, let's try 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 18 divided by 3 is 6, then 30 divided by 3 is 10. Okay, let's try 2. Okay, obviously it's 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3, then 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, we have 1, 3, and 5, so I think we should end it here. So now, to find the GCF, we have to focus this part right here. Okay, we have to multiply 2 times 3 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. The GCF of 12, 36, and 60 is